As soon as you are ready to print, you're going to come up to the top right corner and hit on the green button that says Make It. Design Space will organize your layers. This is the card itself in print then cut format, where it will print this onto a blank sheet of paper or white cardstock. When you're ready, in the bottom right corner, hit the continue button. It'll bring you to this screen. It's telling you it's first going to print then cut, and then it's going to do score before it does the cutout of the rectangle. There's a score line that you can see here in this example. So when you're ready, send to printer and select the options that are appropriate as per your printer setup. I like to select Use System Dialog as well as Add Bleed. Then click on Print. Once your document has printed, be sure to set the base material. In this case, I've printed on regular copy paper, so I'm going to select cardstock for intricate cuts. Pressure at default, and then I'm going to load the document onto my mat and into the Cricut